Biology has concluded that organisms are algorithms, thus dismantling the wall that separates the organic from the inorganic. Technology can make algorithms know you better than you know yourself. I don't need to know you perfectly, it's enough that I know you better than you can. Humanity will get used to trusting these algorithms more and more to make important decisions. Hi and welcome back. Today Ada is going to explain something more detailed about our project.
Thank you, Eloisa. Let's start by explaining the need for objective emotion detection. Traditional emotion recognition relies on self-reporting, which is subjective and unreliable. The facial feedback hypothesis, Ekman, 1970s, suggests that emotions are universally expressed in facial expressions and physiological cues. However, people often mask their emotions, making real-time AI-assisted detection a game changer for businesses, healthcare, and human-computer interaction. The algorithm behind the project aims to objectively evaluate the quality, effectiveness of an experience on the basis of the detection of the individual's emotions, in turn determined by the analysis of a few parameters. The parameters needed to process the output, quality of the experience, are few and easily obtainable thanks to the spread of sensors already on the market. Data collection is therefore quick and simple. Once the individual has been sensorized, through the algorithm, we are able to objectively evaluate his experience. Through a graphic representation, or a numerical value if I wanted to be extremely synthetic, it could be compared with that of millions of other individuals on the net. Individuals may abandon their subjective psychological judgments and rely on computer-processed algorithms when they have to make important decisions about their lives, such as choosing how to spend time, which career paths to take, or even to identify their ideal partner for a romance. It is possible that such decisions, driven by the flow of data, will improve people's lives. This is why humans will get used to trusting algorithms to make decisions. The purpose of the algorithm is to objectively evaluate an experience lived by an individual by purifying it of cognitive biases and/or gross errors that our mind makes in remembering an event or measuring a sensation. A revolution in the evaluation of experience. Yes, but what experience? Whichever. A ski descent, a motorcycle ride, a stay in a hotel, an outing with a possible soulmate, a visit to a shop, participation in a race, watching a film or a show. The applications would be countless. The creation of a community will make it possible to create a database of the experiences of millions of individuals. The ski resort manager could evaluate whether the slope is fun for skiers, and they vice versa, could compare the experience with that lived in other places. In the search for the ideal partner, I could have an objective measure of the experience lived during the date. And again, the motorcycle manufacturer could evaluate how much the test drive was appreciated and decide how to modify it to make it more appealing, not on the basis of individual and subjective sensations or on the basis of its sales office, but on the basis of a flow of real data. And so on. The likes and the 5 stars, characteristics of reviews as we know them today, would give way to an objective and automatic evaluation of the experience. The app based on the algorithm will put the evaluation in our place. Why this app is different? Advanced emotional detection. Utilizes deep biometric and AI-driven recognition. Goes beyond basic sentiment analysis. Objective emotional detection. Combines physiological data for accuracy. Surpasses self-reporting methods. Marketing. No devices to be mass-produced. Free download. Earnings will come from companies that implement the app in their services, Garmin, Amazon, Tinder, etc. I hope I have been clear and have piqued your interest. Write to us if you have any curiosity about our project.
I should like to specify that the algorithm does not identify emotions but the quality, or breadth, fullness, of the experience. As we have seen, physiological measures fail to distinguish different negative, or positive, emotions. The same science says that the same areas of the brain contribute to profoundly different emotions, so the algorithm does not aim to give a name to the emotion, but to qualify it, objectively, through a graphic representation, a number, a shape, or colors. When we try to give a name to an emotion, we are trespassing into the field of the subjective. Naming emotions is a subjective thing. We have no interest in naming emotions. In conclusion, the algorithm aims to revolutionize the systems of evaluation of an individual's experience, creating an objective system, based on a flow of data, that is able to quantify how much an activity, whether it has a more or less long duration, has been liked by the end user.